folks, I have a baritone to show you today. This is number 972. It's a really simple and beautiful design, and I'm really proud of it. So this is a customer who wants a baritone body, but the strings are GCEA. So it takes a special string set that we make in order to get that higher pitch at the larger scale length and body. The back and sides for this are some beautiful Myrtle. Comes from here in Oregon. Lots of really beautiful colors in it. Simple straight grain Myrtle. And then Orford Cedar for the top, also an Oregon wood. Orford Cedar is like almost as loud as spruce and a slightly different tone than spruce. It's a little less sugary, a little more dusty. I really like it. It's got a hemlock neck, also an Oregon wood, and then the rest of the instrument is walnut. Some really beautiful walnut here that's kind of shimmering gray-brown, matching bridge to go with it. And this is some walnut from here in Hood River. Yeah, and then it's bound with walnut, and just a simple design. This is one that's like, it's very energetic, you know, it's leaping about, ready to make music, you know, I really like that. So yeah, this is number 972. Cheers.